Okay, today we'll start 3D in AutoCAD, right? So first of all, some few steps you have to do before starting 3D. You have to change workspace, right? Now you can see we are still in 2D, right? And you can see two axes, we have X and Y, right? So we have to go in three axes, X, Y and Z value also we want to see. So first thing first, you have to change the workspace for 3D modeling so that you can see the tools over here we are going to use in 3D. I'll go drafting and annotation, and before it was, so I will change into 3D modeling. So as you change into 3D modeling, now you will see the tools which we use in 3D. Alright, so it's easy to use this tool in 3D environment, right? Now we have to change this drawing area we have to convert it into 3D. Now we have two axes, so here we have view controls, right? If you click here and you will see here we have view controls. So many views we have, top to back. From here these all are 2D but with different axes and different direction it will show. But if you want to go in 3 axes, so you have to go isometric. So we have southwest isometric. Now you can see we are in 3D mode. Alright, again you can go to top, so you are back to 2D. Alright, so from here we'll go to 3D space SW. Alright, mostly we use southwest isometric workspace. Alright, so you can go also here and you can choose southeast, northeast and northwest, and you can go also view manager, and from here we can also create a new view according to our requirement. But for now we will use from here, right? SW isometric is easy to use because here it will show you the X direction and Y and Z. So Z direction is on the top side. Alright, if you want to see, just here in 3D environment we have this box tool. Alright, this is 3D object, and click here, one click and second click and then third click. So width, height and depth we have provided. Now you can see it's a 3D object. Simply we have drawn. And we have a lot of 3D objects. We'll see how we can draw them. Alright, so now I have changed only just the space, 3D space from here southwest, and I have just drawn one object. Alright, if you delete this object, we can draw also the line. If you will take line command, simple, we have here. Alright, line command, or you can press L as well. So line command, and you can start from here like this. Okay, if you click, you can see and switch on ortho. Now you can see its direction along x-axis. Alright, for example, you can give any dimensions and repeat, and this side and again repeat this side. Now we have drawn line on 3 axes. If you want to see, you can take from this navigation bar, you can take this orbit tool from here and you can orbit the screen. Now you can see, yes, we have drawn in 3D environment. So we have this on x-axis and this y-axis, and this one we have on z-axis. Alright, escape to cancel orbit command. If you want to use orbit command, so you have to press the scroll wheel, so it will show you the pan tool. Alright, if you hold shift key, and click scroll wheel from the mouse, so you can activate orbit tool in AutoCAD. Alright, if you click on a scroll wheel, we know that zoom in, zoom out, panning, but if you hold shift key while scroll wheel, you can just pan screen as well. Alright, okay, so from here, so if you have changed the view, now you are confused what to do, no problem, just go again, so view control, and just change to southwest, as you will be back to your view. Same, I will delete any. You can copy in the same direction, you know the basic command CO, you will press copy and just you can click also from here like this. Alright, again you can copy this command, this line, and you can just connect, like you can draw also in a starting like this. Alright, then you can do copy again, CO copy, you can select this lines like this and again click here and like this. Now you can see you have drawn the objects in 3D space like that. Then you can copy these lines as well. Alright, it's very easy. So we have changed views from here, you can change view. Then near to view, okay, we have one more option to change view. We have the whole view cube here. So many advanced software has this view cube because it's a cube. You can change also from here. You can go to top directly from here. If you click here, it will take you to this direction, and you can go back, you can go left. From here you can click on these nodes also, right? Or you can click and hold this arrow. You can also manage like this direction, right? And you can hold and click with the left mouse. You can also manage its direction, and manually you can control from here as well with the view cube. All right, if you like this something changes and you don't like, you want to revert back, just click on this home icon. It will take you the home setting, okay, which is already by default. So if you like some setting like this and you want to set this one as a home, just right click on this view cube. Then here you have one option which is called set current view as a home. If you click this one, all right, then whenever you will click on this, look, if you have changed like this, right? So now whenever you will click on this home icon, all right, exit command, then it will take you the last view which you have saved. So you can also control this home view. All right, I'll go back. I will take again southwest, which is the easiest one to work with. So with the view cube, you can also control your views, and from here as well. All right. So what I will do next, I will select and delete all objects. Now it's time to draw 3D objects, all right, in 3D space. So I will draw first of all box from here, take box, all right, then just draw box from here. First it will ask you specify a first corner, okay, I will specify first corner, then the other corner, all right, then specify height. You can also specify height, like I want 1 unit, like any unit it could be, so like this. So we have specific width, then length, and then we have height as well. Now you want to change also visual style. You don't want to see this box in a wireframe mode. If you want to change a visual style, how it will look, so you can go to here in 2D wireframe. It's a visual style, all right. From here you can change. You can go to conceptual. It will show you the colors, all right. And then you can go hidden. It will show you only the faces which are visible to you. Then you can go also here and click. Then you can use a realistic. This one we use when we will apply material. We want to see maps and colors and material. All right. Then you can go also shaded, and all are here. All right. So you can use one of them, X-ray. You can, if you want to see them in a graphical shape, just go to view. And here you will see all visual style in graphical icon is also there. So here we have conceptual. You can change this one as well. All right. Then you have hidden. Then realistic. It will show you maps. Shaded. It will show you shade. Shaded with gray edge. Mostly we use this one. It will show you the edge also of 3D objects. And we use X-ray also. It will be transparent, and it will show you if you have drawn some object behind. So you have to change the visual style. You can change also from here or from here as well. Mostly 3 we use a lot. Wireframe we use a lot, right? Then we realistic when we apply material, shaded with edge or shades of gray as well. X-ray it's if it's required. Okay, so that's how you can use visual style after drawing. Okay, now let's create other 3D objects. So we have box. So if you want to create with the measurement, okay, just click here. Then you want to give width and height of this box. So what we will do, we will here, all right, we will do, you will go to length, all right. So you will go to length and click here. Then you have to specify length, all right. So we have length, for example, you will see like 1 unit length, all right. Then it will ask you width, 1 unit width you have. Then height also you want to specify 1 unit height. So now you have specified length, width and height of the box, all right. So you can draw as well. I will change to my view to realistic view so that I can see. Okay, or I will go to shaded with edge. So it's a good one. It will show you the edges as well. Next we have cylinder. One more method we have here, box we will use a lot even to draw wall as well. So you can just specify. I will show you how we can convert 2D objects into 3D also. Now you can see this kind of wall we can draw also. All right. So next object, we have also second option to draw a box. So we have here, when you click first point, Then you have here length. When you length we have studied, then you have cube. When you click on cube, cube means all values are equal. Then you can specify, for example, is 0.5 units like this. You can draw cube as well. All right. Next we have cylinder. In cylinder it will ask you the radius, center point, then it will ask you the radius. For example, I have 0.5 radius, then it will ask you height. Make sure the direction of the mouse and keep it upper side, then and press the height of the cylinder. Then that's how you can make cylinder as well. Then we have cone. In cone also you can specify center point, then you can specify radius or the diameter, your own choice. 0.5 I will give, and then the height you can also specify. Height you can specify as well, 1 unit I'll give you. Alright, that's how you can specify. Now the challenge in AutoCAD 3D is aligning objects. What I want to do, I want to place this cone here on the cylinder. That will be the challenging task. Okay, so I will use move tool. Look, if you select move, from where you will pick. Okay, pick any point, alright, like this, and just try to click here like this. Now you tried, but it's not accurate placed. So what do we have to do? We have to, mostly people use wireframe for this alignment. So go to 2D wireframe, alright, then choose move code, M, enter, then select this one and enter, and select the center point. Alright, then you have center point of this circle as well. Now it's perfectly aligned. Alright, want to check, just go here and shade it with edge. Now you will see like this. You can use also shortcut key for visual style, VS. Alright, then enter VS and it will show you which style you want. So whatever is blue you can press. We have hidden, realistic, conceptual, shaded. You can choose any and you will see that one. Okay. Okay, next object we have cone, done. Then you have sphere. In sphere you have to make, only have to give the radius of the circle. You can make it's easy. Pyramid you can also create, specify center, then the radius and then height. Like you can use also to make a roof as well, and okay, you can just make a pyramid as well. All right. Next, very easy. So we have wedge. You can also create a wedge. First point specify, then other point, then you can specify height as well, how much height you want. We use this one to make ramp also. All right, but we use this tools rarely because we can do this all manually with any solid. All right, for example, even I can do this wedge with the box as well. I will just create box, then I have here selection. All right, I will select, for example, edge. Edge means line, so I can select this edge like this, then I can move it little bit down. Okay, we have here 3D move, so you can move with the help of this as well. So I will select edge, so click edge, and then you can just move little bit down if you want to move like this. All right, so we can do with the edge as well. All right, every 3D object actually has here some controls. So we have vertices. Vertices mean point, so you can click on any point like this. All right, vertices mean intersection. Then you have edge. Edge means the lines. All right, press escape and you can choose this line as well if you want to choose the line. Working with, we will see how we can work. Then we have face. So edge, vertex and face we can use to work with in 3D solid. All right, then you have torus. You can also make torus like this. So you have radius, then you can specify width as well. All right, so that's how you can create 3D objects. All right, now let's see how you can convert 2D into 3D. All right, for example, I have this drawing. All right, so I will convert it. So it's easy, I'm just telling you. We'll go to SW isometric. All right, so we have a lot of designs is there. So I want to start from here. So we can start with the box command as well. So just go to here and just take box command and click here, and you can click this one. All right, and just specify height. Height, for example, we have 10 feet. Just specify 10 feet and enter. All right. We have to change, I think, the units. All right, let's check what units we are using. UN, and I'll architectural, and here I will choose inches. All right, so enter. All right, then I will change its shaded with edge. All right, so then I will take box command. All right, like this, and then click one edge, and here the second edge. Right, and specify height, which is 10 feet, like this. All right, same here, you will provide also box, so you can shift and scroll wheel, you can rotate. Again, you will take box command, and here we have door space. I'll show you how you will leave door space. So you can also match with this height, just click here, so it will be matched. All right, so same here, so you will take again, we have a lot of methods to do that. We have polysolid command, we have many commands. So like, and I will just match with this. Okay, then we'll leave the doors space. So again, you will create one more box here to here. All right, and specify height, which is 3 feet, and enter. Then you can use simple move command, M, enter, click here and choose that endpoint, shift right click, choose endpoint, so it will show you the endpoint. Then just connect with, even shift right click again, endpoint, and it will snap like this. Now the space for the door left behind. So with box command easily, because many softwares are using this method. All right, same we can make stairs as well if you have with the box command. If you have 2D, that's why 2D is based. Okay, so for example, you have this one, and just specify height. All right, also again, so you can box, so you can start from here. All right, so till here, and like how much you want. We want, like, for example, 7 or 9 inch, then like this. Then copy, Control C. All right, C or copy, and just you can move like this. Okay, so it's initially, it's beginning, it's easy to do that like this. So that's how you can convert your 2D object only with the help of box command into 3D. All right, so whatever walls you have, so just create all walls like this. All right, whatever map you have made it, just take box command and provide height and leave space for windows and doors. Just suppose if here is windows, so you will make one more box here, and you will just, or you can do copy as well. So escape and do copy. All right, and click here, and you can just create a hole for the window as well. Now you look, you have, so if there is window, you can also do that. All right. So whatever map you have created in 2D, just convert it into 3D like this.